Hi everyone, this is Negrito and today we're exploring Valladolid, one of Mexico's most colorful magic towns, and I want to show you how I use my GoPro MISSION 1 Pro on the point and shot grip to capture travel history. Let's go! Whenever I arrive somewhere new, I always start at the local market. It's the best place to discover the energy of a destination. For scenes like this, I shot in 4K at 60 frames per second with a linear lens. It gives me a beautiful details and lets me create a smoother motion during editing. My biggest tip: spend a few minutes observing before you start filming. The best moments usually happen when you are simply paying attention. As I explore, I like to include people in my shots. They add scale, movements, and make the audience feel part of the experience. I also record in 10 bits color, especially in colorful places like Valladolid, because it gives me much more flexibility when editing. One feature I use all the time is OpenGate. It captures a larger area of the sensor, which means I can turn one recording into a horizontal YouTube video or a vertical short without needing to shoot twice. It's one of the easiest ways to get more content from every scene. Lunch is also a great time to review footage. Using the GoPro Quick app, I can check my clips, save my favorites, and even build a quick edit before heading back out. Slow motion is one of my favorite storytelling tools. I usually shoot 4K at 240 frames per second to capture moments with incredible details and give me certain moments a more cinematic feel. Just before finishing, the rain arrived. Instead of putting the camera away, I kept filming. Sometimes, changing weather created the most beautiful lights and the most memorable shots. And that's how I filmed this travel through Valladolid. And I hope these simple tips help you to tell even better histories with your own GoPro. See you in the next adventure.